borong. Di sama cuma biasa bitik biasa bermurah na matak di kuah.
Julum.
Mana kada sama tu mana Dios ngomong Corona FM. Dios ngomong Corona point di Corona FM may raki-raki. Dios ngomong Corona point di Rona FM. Isuba kay no sorry kada mo no kata.
Kita siri rewa lebuka maduata sana lebu ombala utokan do umbula menaka 92 point na bitango 4.
4.
Serua. Benga nuda.
Right.
Doyan rando umbula.
Ni boleh nak ada sama tu malam di lori, taxi na minibus na motor kamu gitu kay it's a beautiful morning. Turbo menak. Total ni tali tu na singa ni kuwa. Total na madani karabit na kago sa totolo tu.
Endina.
Ni ochenga ndo nambong ndo na singa.
Boile.
Ochenga ndo na singa ndo nambong.
Endo bangaya.
Isi ako tukun eh.
Right.
Kaya ba ya kaya ndo normal. Kongo ni ochenga nambong, mi total ndo nambongi.
Endo talambongi melebu.
Kaya nambong kita rabe membongi balabu.
Bongi balabu mem. Hey, how's the weather? Yeah, thank you very much. Good morning. It's a new week. It's 6 days left away from the term start. To the student, some of us now we are on par. We are looking forward for the schooling.
Right.
Some of us too, we are looking forward for the hostel Dhiri. Thank you very much for being there.
Hostel life.
Hostel life. Some of us, this is the first time we're gonna leave our parents.
Right.
We'll hear some advice from the parents. Be there. Be
punctual.
Good manners, punctuality. You are not there for schooling.
Right.
You are there. It show how good the teaching from the manners you teach from the village or your home.
Right. Kami binanonda pokon ditikir na lupen dan nonda sibirakir na itobo pataki na bulo pakai bakaraw. Discipline. Right. Bala tera puno nang ngolikin na lagi bakarita kana be kaya sungi makin. As to those students who will be going to boarding school for the first time. Bukan talaga kemani oni na laki the first time for you to own a knife. Na siya liwere-were.
Right.
So kemani on matin pakininguna. Oni na to kinakin na ndora katokaw. Nanomuni yao na kaloko. Nabi kaboya. Kena nomuni lagi sama gi kemuni. Right. Nomuni ready kemuni sarangabati kemuni. Na sekali ndo na be ngarabi kino kemuni sarangabati. Mo na buli tal ngakin na bulo pakai bakaraw. Bulo pakai bakaraw. Right.
Nama maroroy.
Maroroy.
Iyo.
Kami bicara. Lebron ngona saya datu ibale mode tu ani. Mode tu ani. Iyo. Ngoni sana de rimbure. Totani. Kirna line. Iya. You will be given duties, Right. Some of the duties in the morning. The boys in the ambure, we call the cassava peelers, Right. They are the ones who wake up early in the morning. Sometimes 3 o'clock, sometimes 3:30. Right. They run to the shed and they touch the tapioca.
Yeah. It's good. It's good. Perfect. I still remember one motto we use in the cadet. Perfect practice make perfect.
Motto nunu.
Yeah, the motto too. The motto. Kilipachi ko na paipana. Daun do tu na baka daw main na motto tu ni cadet. Na perfect practice make perfect.
Doon mo muna kasi di tala mondo ya. Nakita nga diretso nga may pinakata kina no manimbula. Ni sana uti manabuli na buru le na tawag kemuni. The world will be waiting for you after 6 or 7 years in high school. Some of the boys who will leave their Matanibale, right? In a few days time, you'll spend the whole of your life, right? Maybe in Vitilebu. Yeah. Kita sini kalau nggak dapat tali kurang imbuto kenomian.
Some of us, the mother will say, no, just school here. The father, no, live. But daw baka minimate ko, live. Make him a strong man there.
Some people like this gang, they may say no lebu. When they live no lebu, they come to Vitilebu for good pakadua. Don't go back.
You still girl from us?
No, Ratu lagi doesn't have a dome.
We have the dome. Alam mo doon numa.
Siya nga batin ng talo Romeo. No dome. Ora kaya nang ano buli raba durimbure. Iyo. O kung ko likya bitch ka bikaw.
Kaya bikaw ko romo kili.
Eh, wala naman tabi bito signal. Ate ba bukod sa dala.
1973.
Siapa tu may Switzerland.
Iyo.
O mita signa ko.
Iso may Vietnam.
Iyo. Sa totoo to nabito sa ko tu.
Ako ka muka.
Oh, bataki abi away le Jack mula binaka tuning all the way from where he is. Iyo. Mula binaka kono ni binaka tiani.
ana matakani oi wakumbu
Me io di va kumbu mindalan.
Ah.
Se mutu kuni marama ta mita signa
Iyo.
ni oken ta kilanga na talkative.
Iyo.
Cosa.
Iyo.
Ko me sa tukuni wa na walkative.
Fative.
Iya,
Everywhere.
Iya, betul sek.
Iya, right.
Na boleh besar, beki bini lo beti bini besi burbura.
Right.
Ni andra ni mata bina, beki bini ngol tu na nek ni andra.
Iya.
Na kami fata long john.
Oh, boleh benar.
Sem sar cuma Australia na mata ka di kuah.
Right.
Apakah kini beki bini na ngol tu baka ngito
Iyo.
na mati bol pertandia. Dingin bini karena bini mati bol di sem cuma tolong lo beki burbura ni andra ni mata bina.
Tira sana.
Karena wasa Pasifika.
Ha.
Ni andra bina ka di bulu bina ka na mata ka di kuah.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Okay.
Kedi ta Kongo.
Ha.
May na Kali place may tadirua.
Iya.
Mbulo binaka patake John Kumar.
Iyo.
Esa lola matundomoni.
Oh, kakaya bay, mbula mina ka John Kumar, John Ron Pickering Dombula Simon Indokona,
Iya.
and also to Sing Rosni.
Sing Rosni.
Karena
Rosni.
betul saya cuma main Escomodo saya nambua ya nama tadi kuah.
Isa.
Bukan na Kali place. Tambia korme modo atai saya di bulu benak.
Bersih.
Oke, nanti talo nama tadi kuah.
Okay, you know what? Now we use campus.
Oi.
We use machinist
Iya,
Tuat.
to show
Yeah.
something that we don't know.
iya.
Oh.
Like campus to
Direction.
Iya.
direct you to the right location.
Yeah.
Right.
If you want to know well.
Right.
Before,
Iyo.
in the olden days,
Iya.
our grandfather, they use the nature
Oi.
to describe something
Iya.
like this. They see the star, they see the moon,
Right.
they know where the passage is when they're in the sea.
Oi.
They see the shapes
Hey.
of the mountain,
Yeah.
they see the passage is there.
Iya.
They can feel the air,
Yeah.
they know where to direct them.
Right.
Oi.
It's like that.
Iya.
But now is a season,
Yeah.
November to April is a season for the cyclone.
Right.
They only know when the cyclone is come close.
Yeah.
There's some nature sign
Yeah.
that will show up.
Iya.
The breadfruit,
Yeah.
they will bear fruit.
Right.
One fruit.
3,
Oi.
4, don't walk in auto.
Iya.
Huh?
3,000.
Dito silang ko reposo ng boto.
Iya.
Then from there,
Iya.
you can see the top of the wundi leaves.
Iya.
The banana leaves.
Iya.
Right.
The one who does not, they form circles. Ang kayo ba kamersi circle full
Iya.
ngamay.
Iya. Iya.
If they collide,
Yeah.
sa kambas makina,
Yeah.
you can see that's a sign of the
Hurricane.
hurricane. If you see the bees,
Iyo.
Iya.
nabi,
Iya.
if you see the bees
Iyo.
Iya.
under the ground,
Iya.
that's so.
How about when you see the Lulu?
When you see the lulu,
Yeah.
somebody's pregnant.
Eh.
Oi, like that, eh?
Yeah. When you see the lulu, depend.
Iya.
When you see the lulu
Yeah.
on the sangga pa kami lutu menakabi,
Yeah.
that's pregnant.
Right.
And early in the morning,
Yeah.
that's pregnant. When it comes to midnight,
Iya.
the surrounding
It's very dangerous.
is very dangerous.
No. Buana.
Okay,
Buana.
half moon.
Huh?
Half moon in the morning.
Half moon in the morning?
Yeah.
That mean the bowl salad is ready.
And how about the moon, like the mbat sinibuaka,
Yeah.
tilting this way?
Right.
Hakam?
Mendo mga tatsi gitu na bula.
Iya.
Wata chikina mula?
Iya.
Use it.
You see me tao na sana. Iya.
Ang berta ni mo ito na uta.
Iya, tao na udaya.
Hey,
Iya.
Botera na bunua.
Right.
Eh?
Hindi na.
Draki binaka.
Right.
When you see the full moon,
Yeah.
it's a full moon. That mean the high tide is coming.
Right.
Iya.
Eh, usar kami.
The high tide.
Iya.
When the moon sleep,
Yeah.
that's coming. The rain is about to come.
Right.
It's good to study the nature of the living of the forefather, our
Yeah,
great grandparents.
sini, sir.
Thank you very much. You know what you are doing from that time.
Yeah.
We are still follow this time.
Doon mo siya mo ni dala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one
Yeah.
during the bee season, they went for hunting goat.
Okay.
They went for the hunting goat.
Yeah.
When they went for the hunting goat,
Here.
they was there.
Here.
They see the goat.
Iya.
They run after the goat.
The mountain.
Yeah, this korkasusu.
Iya.
So they hunting during the bee season, eh?
Iya.
So when they see the bees,
Yeah.
nobody see the bees, eh?
Iya.
Because they under.
Iya.
They pass the bees.
Hurricane season ko.
Iya.
Right.
Kachiko na ngasingo.
Right.
The bees.
The bees.
Kajabi.
Ah?
Kajabi.
Katia na muna bola kapua.
Oi.
Mekati tali.
Ciki rana viratar boleh ciki.
Yeah. The beast like that they look like a benero. The benero karon they balu, they doing they balu. Oira karda ka berapa tumbu-tumbu. The beast too come up.
Yeah.
They doing the pinching on top.
Yeah.
When they top pinching,
Yeah.
and the fella shouted, "Hey, hey!"
Yeah.
And another fella calling,
Yeah.
"Hey, what's it?"
Yeah.
No, that's a manage I do.
Wait.
Atu no
It's normal.
salah sakachiko na vi sanga sinimbera. Ada bakati, ada bayanga.
Yeah.
Ni sakaila.
What's wrong?
Yeah.
What's wrong? Sinimbero ka.
Yeah.
Senga.
Yeah.
Ndo nunggu mga rutunga ya mekateo na vi mukaila. Obang anggo no katarten, ngor sengai. Ngor na nonde mga rutodo ko.
Oy, banga gor tutukun talwa.
Iya.
Bondendre.
Sinimbero ka ila ba mukaila taka.
Yeah.
Senga. Kateo na vi ndo
No,
no.
mo chikbiyo ya.
No mol chubeo ya.
Yeah.
Ndo nunggu mga raw ya.
Yeah.
Mendo kateo na vi mukaila. Senga nonde tabito dongori. Mina ko kaila, keme mukaila di. Hey, we are Princess celebrating 90 years. We love you all.
You love the bee
Yeah.
or you love the honey?
The honey
Yeah.
becomes the bee now.
Tura night.
Iya, Meli.
Mela dali bara bina kakita ko point nande siko kethi.
Right.
Yeah.
O tine cheli ada bina betul bina di silo delana. Ada bina na mataka di kuwa.
Meli senia.
Sa seven stage tu betul bina di.
Kau bola.
Ada bina toka di tine cheli.
Right.
Chone mbose di lotu.
Alright.
Ay siko meragi.
Arra.
May malaki ngo. To wala siya ni be
Serai. Wani
Oh,
buhaus.
maramanita.
Iya.
Wani buhaus. Tamay pa ni talaga na malaki landing.
Alright.
Ito warung si John Kumar na binakasa. Thank you so
Alright.
much. Nadalo Junior. Wani binakaya nangolong ko sa belutoka. Tamay Libya ke nadani tabusa. Nadani Wesiki Ombari ke Verniki. Orto siya sa chumi alali umemba. Nimbulu binang kanda. Mana sa sabakara na matake na inday.
Ortongo siya masar cuma mana.
Oi.
O Zek Kenriso.
Ya.
Siya cuma mana island tutukun cuma ngo. Do may ngunuti towi.
Oh, malakan din na to.
Na boleh Zek.
Toboy ni mana ya, toboy bula-bula.
Isa.
Toboy nice, toboy achi.
Right.
Buna tirita mana na bina ka ito kini la volevo na makitele bugo suba. O si talaga be bika ili rawa. May nambukan dong ay madwat.
Oh.
Sana sa makina.
Gor na po na bako tikin nandon nung kubrada. O nonanana o tinay nung gada.
Oi.
On demis.
Oi.
Nung gada ba tiko man raul matua.
Kali ratu tini.
Nakabali yada. Bula reada kaya baka siya matumay nambukan dongo. Panini binaka pati kay semi. Bula binabita may kitinay nung gada.
George William Pickering na bina kasi.
Boleh bina.
Na boleh besar bito kali na matang kuah kito kirangan dan
Kaya lagi rabu.
Don.
Dan mu share mata kena no mu tapatali. Hat.
Wat kira sar cuma mana TikTok don mo double tap.
Iyo.
Iya, double tap. Wat kira mana sama cuma mana YouTube channel.
Iyo.
Na boleh besar na sar tumai.
You kira nga ngo masindilo you Christian Elijah.
Ukraine baby, kachi.
Bulwana Judy Mbati Sari-Sari ko
Iyo.
kay Canada, mga turan virtual waka family.
Esa.
O Eliki bata kay
Seba.
Bata kay Seba.
Bulwana ka, bulwana
Eliki
ka.
bata kay Seba,
Right.
warong may nane ni bunda.
Iyo.
May sengaga.
Right.
Nakapaya sa tanong matani mataka.
Guys, siya taka to nang live. Siya taka bale, siya tale, boti oti kena siya.
Right.
Right. Na ito kani.
Eh, kurumundo ko.
Mika,